guys, thanks for joining me. I have a super special guest today. Her name's Izzy. Say hi, Izzy.
Hi everyone.
I am going to show you how to paint a really cool rainbow butterfly design. And Izzy, we're going to have fun doing it, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to start off with this split cake by Tag. It's called Fairy Floss. It's really pretty and it comes onto the skin super sweet and vibrant. So I've loaded up my petal sponge with this Fairy Floss. Now I'm just going to begin dabbing on the paint, transferring it onto gorgeous Isabella's face. And now I'm going to do exactly the same down the bottom. It's always good to ask the child to close their eyes. We don't want to get any paint in their eyes. Now I'm going to start off on the other side of her gorgeous, gorgeous face by just pressing it on. And now down the bottom, super soft. And transferring all of that gorgeous colour. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a reverse teardrop, meaning I start off from light to thick, so thin to thick by pressing the brush down. And then I'm going to press down and then change the direction inward as I lift my brush back off. So down and then lifting the brush back off as I come inside into the middle of the eye. I'm going to do exactly the same down here, so from thin and through to thick, and then I'm going to go thick, change the direction inward, flick it in, thick, inward, and then one last time to create a really pretty butterfly wing. And now again, another reverse teardrop from thin to thick, pressing your brush down. Now I'm using a number 4 round brush. From thick, changing the direction inward to thin, and from thick to thin, and then one more time, from thick, changing the direction inward to thin. Again, nice and smooth to start off with, and then medium, pressing right down, and a thick brush stroke. Changing the direction inward, again, changing the direction inward, and one last time, changing it inward. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a 1 teardrop, pushing in and then lifting up as we go downward. And that'll make the butterfly's little delicate body, not bottle. A little teardrop coming inward on both sides. Okay guys, so now that my paint has dried, I'm just going to do a series of little dots just all around the black area of the butterfly wings. So holding still. I'm going to do a cluster of little dots just here. And another cluster of little dots just here. And I like to do some really pretty dots right next to the child's eye in the middle. Now just highlighting the tops of the butterfly's antenna. And the other one. And now a cluster of gorgeous little dots just on the side here. Now I'm going to add a little star on each end here because it's so pretty to have some sparkly stars on each side of the butterfly's antennas. Now, what's a butterfly without some pretty bling? Now I'm just going to put a little gem here right where the butterfly's head would be. Press down. And there you go, nice and blingy. Now guys, I have raved on about pixie paint lately. It's because I absolutely love it. I think it's super delicate and it just gives it that amazing sparkle that we need at the end of every design. So if you have a look at how sparkly that is, it is just a treat. And there you have it, a really pretty rainbow butterfly for you to all enjoy recreating. There are many versions of butterflies. This one's one of my favorites, and it's super quick and easy when you have a long line. So enjoy practicing it, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any face painting related questions or you need something that you need clarified, make sure you comment down below and I'll do my absolute best to share my knowledge with you in the next video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me so we don't miss each other for the next one. Until next time, happy painting.